reset the device through recovery mode. This process will also remove a screen lock without needing to know it. I'll proceed from the lock screen as though I don't know the password. Start by holding the power key and selecting power off. Once the device turns off, hold power and volume up at the same time. This brings up the boot mode menu. Use volume up to navigate and volume down to confirm. Select recovery mode and confirm with volume down. When you see the Android No Command screen, hold power and press volume up once. You'll enter recovery mode, then select Wipe Data Factory Reset and confirm with power. Confirm factory data reset again, and the device will begin wiping data. Once data wipe is complete, Reboot System Now will be selected by default. Press power to confirm. The process will continue in the background and take a couple of minutes to finish. Once completed, you'll see the setup screen and can set up your device however you like. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks.